Brad Williams, XL Prime. We want to add up pivot table total sales. Well, you know, we have this automated feature here within a pivot table. But if you want to grab this information from elsewhere, another worksheet, or if you want to incorporate it somewhere else, you can just point. Now be careful here. You can use a sum and then 0.2 to 0.10. It's not going to give you much information, but you can just do this also. You can just point to the pivot table right here, this grand total, and this will be white shirts. You can hard code this 01, so just go up here and grab it and then just hit F4. Otherwise, you're going to get this N. This is the default. And I don't know if you want that. And then if you want an individual sum, you can point to that person. Just point to it. Hit equal sign first. Here, I'll show you. Equals. Just hit 186. Now here's the deal. You have this N1 function. If that doesn't bother you, fine. If you want to try to equals here, you can see the problem there. It's just going to spill. You don't want to do that. You're going to have to hit equals sum. You're still going to be able to get this. The question is, what happens if something changes over here? Let's go. Oh, we have 2716. And let's just put, oh, who was that? 04 to 06 was, what, Brendan, Daniel, and Brandon in white shirt. So we put 0. Go back in here, pivot table. And anytime you make a change into your data source, you have to hit this refresh and hit refresh. Brendan was not part of this deal. How about Derek? Derek's only one. Okay, maybe this will work. See, Derek was 128, so we'll hit 0, and then we'll hit update. And you have to be in the pivot table to do this. Hit refresh, and Derek is 0. Derek is 0. And we have this sum here, 0, 4, 0, 4, and that looks correct. So it does update. This sum right here is going to update. So if we hit 80, and I don't know how many there are of her. It's like 0, 0, 4, 0, 6. So yeah, this updates and everything else updates. I'm just kind of fooling around, throwing some pivot table stuff at you. Read this. Brad Williams, XL Prime. Thanks for watching.